Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA for the day. I hope that your weekend is going great. Let's check out the charts. All right, so from yesterday, we were looking at price action hovering right around here, just over our old resistance. Now was acting as support, but now can be turned red because, as you can see, price action did fall under it. So we'll turn that a dark red so it doesn't get in our way visually, but we know that it's there, still acting as a bit of resistance. So we'll have to get, we'll have to find price action will have to come back over that as well. That could act as a little bit of resistance along our way back up. Why do I say way back up? Well, if we take a look here at the stochastics, we are seeing them coming up over the 50 line here, showing upwards momentum. And as we know, when upwards momentum is showing, most of the time, not all of the time, but most of the time, we see it complete the oscillation up into overbought territory. That doesn't mean that, RSI will get over the 50 back into bullish territory here, but it could. It means that there's a chance for that to happen. That means that there's also a chance for the strength, for the price action along with the strength. RSI shows you how strong the move might be. Right now, the move's not very strong. It's actually down in bearish territory, and so this upward move might not really happen until we see that 50 broken on the RSI. And until we see this resistance broken again on the 90-minute charts, this old resistance of the bull flag. We're going to keep this new one here too, with this new high that was formed there, but we're going to keep this one here as well within the bull flag. The bull flag's still intact. That's the thing. The bull flag is still intact. This little one here. This little bull flag within this big bear flag, within this bigger bull flag, within this bigger bull flag. But this is a decision point or a key level, one might say, 94 being that key level. Like we've talked about, we need to see that 94 level hold in order to put in a higher high on these a higher low on these higher time frames. Let's move over the measured. Let's move the measured move over. Measured move, well, we can keep it there, honestly. Measured move stays the same, right around 106, 105, something like that. If it does play out, that little bull flag there, within the bear flag, within the bull flag, within the bull flag. Now, something else that we can see if we go down to the 22-minute chart is what looks to be an Adam and Eve double bottom here. What that is, what tells us that is this more sharp bottom here, and then a less sharp bottom there at roughly the same levels. Now, a double bottom usually plays out. Sorry, let me redo that line. All right, a double bottom usually plays out back to where it started. So it could come up to here at 98, 98.2-ish, but also come back right up here to retest that spot that we were just at yesterday. Was that yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Up at 100K yesterday. But yeah, so with that double bottom printing there on the 22-minute chart, the 22-minute chart showing the RSI over its indicator line there, its signal line, showing bullish momentum, being in bullish territory over the 50. Not much, but it is over. And with the stochastics here pointing upwards and just barely getting into overbought territory, this double bottom here might actually play out. Whether it plays out to 98 or to retest 99.6, that's something we can watch. That'll show us how much strength the bulls have. But we do need to see that 99.6 level broken, flip to support. We do need to get back up over that if we have any chance of invalidating this bear flag from the 6-hour chart, which has a mighty low play out down here to about 86K. But we'll talk about that if 94 breaks. For now, we are seeing this bullish movements on the lower time frames. So we will keep an eye on the 6 hour. That doesn't work. I forgot. Let's just switch that back the way it was. Yeah, I forgot. The drawings stay on the charts, not on the time frames. Whoops. But yeah, so we're looking at that double bottom there. See it here on the 90-minute chart as well. If that double bottom plays out, we could see it come back up to retest that 99.6 level, hopefully breaking it. You'll see that the 200 moving average is also there. So if we can break up over both of those, hey man, that's some bullish signals for us, bullish patterns on the charts there for us to see. And hopefully that tells us that coming weeks will be happily bullish, and that we're going to keep on going up, and this bull run, isn't over. What's the next step? Well, the big move up, like we've talked about, is up here to about 133, I believe. Oops, I'm drawing. Let's just click that. Click that. Yeah, 132,921. So 133. That's that bigger move. What was this move from this smaller bull flag? Well, that one was up to about 111. So we could see it, up to 111, that being our next little spot of resistance, or our next all-time high, after breaking all-time high. But of course we have to break all-time high, flip it to, support, keep moving. Got to get up there, man. Before that, we got to flip 96, or 99.6. Back to support, we got to flip 104. Back to support, we got to flip 108.3. We'll just say back to support. I'm going to change that to 108.3. Coordinates. No, not the fib retracement. This guy. There we go. Yeah, we're just going to change that to 108.3 just for practical purposes. Makes it easier for me to say. All right, so we're not out of the woods yet with this bear flag, so I'm still not gonna say, hey, we're for sure not going any lower. There's no for sures in this game, but today's lower charts, the 90-minute chart, we're still in that bull flag. It still could play out. If this double bottom that I showed you here plays out, then hey, we might be able to get bust out of this bull flag, and even maybe make it back up over 104, flipping that to support, possibly today, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. But we got some resistance along the way. Let's watch what happens. But we're definitely going to see some more upswings today. I don't know how far. You're going to see most likely up to that 99.6 level. But, with these fib retracement levels along the way as well, could also act as resistance. We also have this this local, pretty much classic now, resistance as well. Well, it was support, but it's been flipped back to resistance. So we'll see. Perhaps we'll get stopped there at that 97.5 level. If the bills can break over that 97.5 level, well, expect it to go back up to retest 99.6 one more time and hopefully break over. If it breaks over that 200, hey, it might even run up over 104 again, play out this bull flag. And if that happens, well then, hey, we're in a good spot, because anything really over that 102.7 level, that pretty much invalidates the bear flag. Although really it would just change it even up to there. I'd want to see a break up over 104, or this 236 fib retracement level here. If we can get up over that 104.5 level, find support over that level, and really we'll just say 104. If we can turn 104K back to support, that would invalidate this bear flag and turn me a little more bullish in the general sense. Because while we're down here at 96 or lower, yeah, I mean, the charts don't look bullish from there. The charts look bearish from there. But not entirely. It's never entirely one way or the other. It's all a game of probabilities. Anyway, the probability for today is more bullish than bearish. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Music courteously provided by Veloa, Luminist, and Sax Squatch. You guys are great. Much love. See you later.